everyone, welcome to another episode of Level Up, the podcast where we decode the world of academic and student. I am Iro.
Amel here, ready with my notes.
And I am Fitri, pretending I know what I'm doing.
And I'm Erika. Today we've got a pretty relevant topic, EPT and APT. Ever heard of those? Let's start with EPT. Instant for English Proficiency Test. Basically, it a test that checks how well you understand and use English.
Right. It usually covers listening, reading, grammar, and sometimes writing or speaking, depending on the institution.
I remember talking one last semester listening part was tough. The talking so fast.
That's the challenge, right? It's not just vocabulary, but how fast you can process information in English. Why do we even need APT?
Because most higher education, especially international programs, are in English. School want to make sure students can follow lectures, write paper, and participate in discussion.
It also often required for a scholarship, student study programs, and simultaneous event for graduation.
Exactly, it's not about being perfect in English, it's about showing that you can understand and communicate well enough for academic setting. Now let's talk about APT, Academic Potential Test.
This one interesting. It doesn't test what you have memorized, but more about how you think.
It includes verbal reasoning, numerical ability, logic, pattern recognition. You can now break into.
And is often used for entrance tests, scholarship, and to predict how well you will perform in academic environment. Quick run. How did you guys feel when you took your EPT or APT?
I panicked at first, but practice really helped. I used apps like Duolingo and did a lot of listening practice on YouTube.
APT for League, I was solving puzzle. I actually enjoyed that one more than EPT.
I struggled with time management, so I started using a time during practice session in help a lot. Alright, let's wrap this up. One tip from each of you.
The mock test. Get used to the format.
Train your brain with logic terms of math puzzle.
Don't cram, consistency beats cramming. And mind breather. These tests are challenges, but with preparation, you will be just fine. Thank you for tuning into Level Up. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.